Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, I will explain glossary and paragraph comprehension of textbook Unit 3 The Hazards of Flood. So open your books on page 28. Students, you will write these glossaries and paragraph comprehension in your notebook. Unfettered. Unfettered means bekabu, not controlled or restrict. Chopped. Katna, to cut something into pieces with a sharp tool such as a knife. Catastrophic. Tabahkun, causing a lot of damage and suffering. Rendered, to cause somebody something to be in a particular state or condition. किसी भी हालत का जिम्मेदार होना. Venerable, people or things deserve respect because they are old, important, wise, etc. Muazzis, malnutrition, ghizai killat, a poor condition of health caused by a lack of food or a lack of the right type of food. Embankments, बंद बांध कर इहाता करने का अमल. A wall of stone or earth made to keep water back or to carry a road or railroad or railroad over low ground. Channelize, रास्ता निकालना, a passage that water can flow along, especially in the ground on the bottom of a river, etc. Imminent, निशाना बनना. नागुज़ीर, imminent mean नागुज़ीर, किसी भी अमल का कयाम में आना, जल्द ही. Likely to happen very soon. Phenomenon, hadsa, effect or an event in nature or society, especially one that is not fully understood. Vulnerable, vulnerable mean nishana banna, weak and easily hurt physically or emotionally. Settlements, kayam, an official agreement that ends an argument between two people or groups. Cope, nimatna, to deal successfully with something difficult. Ravine, nala, a deep, very narrow valley with steep sides. Livestock, maveshi, the animals kept on a farm, for example cows or sheep. Mitigated, kam karna, to make something less harmful, serious, etc. Evacuation means ikhraj ya muntakili, the process of moving people from a place of danger to a safer place. Students, for paragraph comprehension, I took paragraph 2 from Unit 3, The Hazards of Floods, on page 25. Let's read. The teacher further added that natural hazards can be catastrophic for the communities that fall victim to them. In a reflective manner, he declared 2010 floods to be one of the worst disasters in the history of Pakistan, for it affected approximately 20 million people. The flood usurped homes, crops and infrastructure and claimed about 2,000 lives. Millions of the people became vulnerable to malnutrition and waterborne diseases, and approximately 1.6 million people were rendered homeless. Students, this is the presentation of paragraph comprehension. Question number 1. What are the effects of 2000 flood in Pakistan? The flood 2010 made great destruction. It was one of the worst disasters in the history of Pakistan. It usurped homes, crops and infrastructure and claimed about 2,000 lives. Second, how many people had been affected by 2010's flood? A flood endangers human, plant and animal life. The flood of 2010 had affected approximately 20 million people. It claimed about 2,000 lives in our country. Millions of people became weak due to malnutrition and diseases. Third, which flood became the worst disaster? The floods come due to heavy rains. The flood of 2010 was one of the worst disasters. It destroyed homes, crops, infrastructure and approximately 20 million people. Fourth, which important things flood had usurped? The flood was caused by heavy rainfalls. It usurped homes, crops and infrastructure. It claimed about 2,000 lives and approximately 1.6 million people were rendered homeless. Fifth, why did the teacher declare 2010 flood to be one of the worst disaster? The teacher declared 2010 flood to be one of the worst disasters in the history of Pakistan. It destroyed homes, crops and infrastructure. It affected approximately 20 million people. Students, this is your activity. Take at least 2 paragraphs from this lesson and make 5 question answers in your practice copy. Students, you will also write this paragraph comprehension that I had discussed in this lesson and write glossary. Stay safe at home. God bless you.